All right. So you're thinking about a career in tech support, huh? Maybe you're drawn to the challenge of troubleshooting tech problems, or maybe you just love diving into the ever-evolving world of technology. Whatever your reason, becoming a tech support specialist can be a rewarding career path. And in this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know to get started. We'll cover the essential skills, certifications, and experience you need to succeed. Stick around, and by the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to launch your tech support journey. First things first, you've got to have a solid understanding of the tech basics. We're talking operating systems like Windows, macOS, and maybe even Linux. You should be familiar with common software like Microsoft Office, Adobe products, whatever people are using. And don't forget about networking routers, Wi-Fi modems, the whole deal. Hardware is equally important. Think of it like knowing the engine of a car. You've got your CPU, RAM, hard drives, and all those peripherals like printers and scanners. Once you've got the hardware down, it's time to dive into software troubleshooting. You'll need to know how to tackle common software issues, system errors, and even deal with antivirus software. While you can definitely break into tech support with a high school diploma or GED, getting some additional education can give you an edge. An associate's or bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or a related field can open more doors. Now let's talk certifications. These are like badges of honor in the tech world, proving you've got the skills to pay the bills. Start with something like CompTIA A+, which covers the fundamentals of hardware, software, and troubleshooting. Then you can explore CompTIA Network Plus for networking knowledge, or even dive into Microsoft and Cisco certifications. Here's the thing about tech support. Nothing beats hands-on experience. The more you tinker, troubleshoot, and solve problems, the better you'll become. One of the best ways to get your hands dirty is by building your own home lab. It doesn't have to be fancy, just a dedicated space where you can experiment with different hardware and software configurations. Internships or part-time jobs in IT support are also invaluable. Think help desk roles or any position where you're directly assisting users with tech issues. Chapter 4. The Power of Soft Skills. Communication is key. Look, being a tech whiz is important, but don't underestimate the power of soft skills. Communication is key in tech support. You'll be working with people who might not be as tech savvy, so you'll need to explain things clearly and patiently. Patience is your superpower. Users can get frustrated, and it's your job to stay calm, collected, and guide them through the problem. And finally, master the art of problem solving. Develop a systematic approach to diagnosing issues. It'll save you time and headaches down the road. Chapter 5. Landing your first tech support gig job hunting tips. With your skills honed and your resume ready, it's time to hit the job boards. Start by searching for entry-level positions like help desk technician, IT support specialist, or technical support associate. Platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor are your new best friends. When you're crafting your resume and cover letter, make sure you highlight all the relevant experience you've gained, from certifications to projects you've worked on. Chapter 6. Never stop learning. The tech world keeps moving. Congrats on landing that tech support role. But here's the thing about the tech world. It never stands still. New technologies emerge, systems evolve, and you've got to keep pace. Make it a habit to stay updated with the latest trends. Online courses, webinars, industry blogs. There's a wealth of knowledge out there. And don't be afraid to dive deeper into specific areas that interest you, whether it's cybersecurity, cloud computing, or anything else that piques your curiosity. Chapter 7. Leveling up your career. From support to leadership. As you gain experience and expertise, you can start exploring more advanced certifications. Think CompTIA Security, Plus for cybersecurity, AWS or Azure certifications for cloud technologies, or even Linux Plus if you're interested in Linux systems. With the right skills and experience, you can move up the ranks from a support specialist to a technical support engineer, systems administrator, or even an IT manager. And hey, maybe you'll even discover a passion for a specific area of tech and become a go-to expert in your field. Outro, your tech support journey starts now. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to kickstart your career as a tech support specialist. Remember, it's a field that rewards continuous learning and a passion for problem solving. Stay curious, embrace the challenges, and who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one creating the next big tech solution. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more tech career advice, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads.